Alexa, turn on living room lights.
Okay.
Hi mga kabahay! Ikaw ba isang OFW na naghahanap ng murang bahay, maliwalas na community at higit sa lahat, malapit sa lahat ng kailangan mo at pwede sa pag-ibig at bank financing? Hi, I'm Mr. Kabahay of the Diamond Group, and for today's video, I'm going to show you this 4-bedroom house and lot for as low as 12,000 pesos monthly. Nice! Samahan niyo ako.
Always stay, living my best life, come what may. Together we shine in every way. We'll treasure this through all the years, hand in.
So, umpisa natin dito sa ating dining area. So, kung kayo ay isang pamilya na mahilig magbanding at kumain habang pinag-uusapan yung mga topiko sa buhay ninyo, this is a perfect spot sa inyo kasi harap lang siya ng kitchen area. So, yung kitchen po namin is made of quartz stone, very sturdy at madaling linisin, at we have modular laminated cabinets. So, matibay talaga yung aming mga materials dito sa Emerald Estates. At dito, sa gilid ng ating kitchen, is your spacious toilet and bath. So, complete fixtures na po ito upon turnover. May pintura ka na. You have ceramic rough tiles pa upon turnover. Meron ka na ring sink, meron ka na ring toilet, shower, at saka awning window. Ngayon, puntahan natin yung den area dito sa ilalim. So, kung meron kayong mga elderly or may mga maid at kailangan nyo ng maid's quarter, ito yung perfect spot naman para sa kanila kasi this room can be a space for your loved ones na, of course, may mga matatanda tayong gusto na nilang dito na lang sa ilalim at ayaw nilang paakyat-akyat pa sa stairs. Ito yung perfect place para sa kanila. So, dito tayo ngayon sa second floor. Ito yung first bedroom natin after ng main staircase. So, ito yung magandang kwarto din kasi mayroon tayong mataas na ceiling. And if you want to save space, you can put this pull-out bed para at least magamit nyo yung extra na space ng kwarto na to. At sa harap ng kwarto na ito is yung ating second toilet and bath kasi una dun sa ilalim. So, same fixtures lang at saka inclusion. So, I'm not going to explain a lot. So, maganda lang kasi malalaki yung mga CRs natin. And dito, katabi ng CR is your second bedroom naman sa taas. So you have bunk bed to save space. You have your vanity mirror here in front and your built-in cabinet. Ayan. So dito naman yung ating master's bedroom. At yung pinaka-exciting na part dito sa master's bedroom is you have your own toilet and bath na exclusive. Ganda, diba? And of course, yung pinakamagandang part ng bahay na ito is this spacious high-ceiling master's bedroom. So if interesado ka, we have a free site tour every day and you can contact us directly in this number at 0966-966-2567. For free site viewing araw-araw, just message us and we are happy to accommodate your real estate inquiries. Bye and see you on my next video.